Dear students, welcome to my channel. This channel is only for you. Today I am going to discuss practical problems on union and intersection of two sets. So for practical problem, you have to know one formula. Say this one, universal set U and two sets A and B. Then this part is A difference B. And this part is B difference A. This one is B difference A. And middle portion is A intersection B. So, number of A means how many elements in the set A. Number of B means how many elements in the set B. So, look here, A union B, that means A union B. If you write number of A union B, how many elements are in A union B, then you can write number of A difference B, next plus number of A intersection B, plus number of B difference A. You can write in this way, or you can write number of A union B, number of A means whole, number of A, plus number of B, and number of A intersection B, we wrote here 2 times. So, 1 subtract number of A intersection B. So, you can write this one also, if two sets are not disjoint. That means there is some common elements. If the sets are disjoint, that means A intersection B equal to 5. There is no common element. Then the sets A and B will be separated in this way, and then number of A union B, you can write number of A plus number of B. Remember this one, number of A union B equal to number of A plus number of B when A intersection B equal to 5. That means when two sets are disjoint, and when two sets are not disjoint, then you can write number of A union B equal to number of A difference B plus number of A intersection B plus number of B difference A, or you can write number of A union B, number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. This is the formula of A union B. So, I will use this formula in the exercise 1.6. Exercise 1.6 number 1. If X and Y are two sets such that number of X equal to 17, number of Y equal to 23, number of X union Y equal to 38, find number of X intersection Y. To write down the solution, we have number of X union Y. You can write number of X plus number of Y minus number of X intersection Y. Now put the values. X intersection X union Y 38, number of X 17, number of Y 23 minus number of X intersection Y. You have to find this one, or you can write number of X intersection Y equal to change the side, add this one 0, 2, 3, 4 minus 38. So you will get simply 2. So number of X intersection Y equal to 2. 2 means here 2 elements are there in the set X intersection Y. Question number 2 is same as question number 1. So we will write at home, and you can write the answer in the comment section. Here number 3. In a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi and 200 can speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? So, here write solution. First you have to let 250 people can speak Hindi. So, write let A set of people who speak Hindi. Next, write down E set of people who speak English. You can write here A and B also. You can write any letter. You can represent set by any capital letters. You can write. So here, in a group of 400 people, total 400 people in a group, 250 can speak Hindi, 200 can speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? Then you have to find intersection. So therefore, number of A is equal to 250, number of E 200, number of A's union E 400, and you have to find number of A's intersection E. You have to find this one. So therefore, we have number of A's union E, number of A's plus number of E, this one formula, minus number of A's intersection E. Now put these values, 400, next 250 plus 200 minus number of A's intersection E. So change the side, number of A's intersection E, you will get 450 minus 400, simply 400. That means 450 people can speak both Hindi and English. So right here, therefore 50 people can speak both Hindi and English. You can write the answer. Number 4. If S and T are two sets such that S has 21 elements, T has 32 elements, and S intersection T has 11 elements. How many elements does S union T have? So easy this one. So write down solution. Given, what given? S has 21 elements, that is number of S equal to 21, number of T 32, and number of S intersection T equal to 11. Therefore, number of S union T, write down the formula, number of S plus number of T minus number of S intersection T. So number of S is 21, number of T 32 minus 11. So write down, add this one, 53 minus 11, so you will get 42. So 42 is number of S union T. Right. At the notes. I think all of you understood my class. If you understood my class, don't forget to like, comment and share to others. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next class. Thank you for watching.